Hello everybody, it's Alexa at ANTON, and today I'm going to show you how to switch quickly and easily between subjects and grades. Let's get started. You can see that I'm already logged in. From here, I can navigate to the Subjects tab and then select Subjects/Search. A panel appears on the left side. If you already know exactly what topic you would like to find, you can use our handy search tool. I am going to search for fall and see what comes up. All of our topics that mention fall appear here. You can select any of the results and navigate quickly and easily directly to the lesson. Now, let's look at how we can navigate to different subjects and grades. Make sure you are in the Subjects tab and then navigate back to the panel on the left. Under Subjects, you can see all of the subjects we currently offer. Let's start with Math. I select the subject Math and can immediately see all of the different available grades. I can select any grade I want and see the standard aligned content for that age group. Our topics are organized by standards and appear in the same order. That means the top is the easiest, and as you scroll down, topics become more complicated. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope to see you back.